Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. Beautiful 3.9-acre Crow Wing River 3-bedroom home with multiple garages. You will fall in love with the many features of this home, including open floor plan, newer appliances, over 1,800 finished square feet, master bedroom with walk-in closet and full bathroom, main floor laundry, vaulted ceilings, separate living and family rooms, attached heated and insulated garage, below-grade storm shelter, detached insulated pole building with lean-to, and heated and insulated shed. The 200 feet of river frontage offers amazing views and great elevation.